Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could fix the problem of limited internet access or limited network. So to fix that we will need to connect first our internet or to our Wi-Fi. You go to your control panel or to your search tab and you type control panel. We will need to click on this application in blue to open it. If you have different view, just make sure to change from large icons or small icons to categories so that you can follow with this video. Next we will click on network and internet, network and sharing center, and here I have my Wi-Fi to which I'm connected. I will just click on it and we will click on properties. Here we will select Internet Protocol version 4, make sure that you have it ticked, and click on properties. Now what we are going to do, we will select use the following IP address and we will enter the following digits 192.168, and here we will enter 1. And for example, if I have 5 devices at home which I'm connecting to the internet and this laptop will be number 6, then I will just enter number 6 to avoid any IP conflict. The next line, when you go to the next line, it's being filled in for you automatically, and it's usually 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is gonna be the same as the IP address, which means that it will be the same 3 sets of digits. So 192.168.1, and the last set of digit must be number 1. Next we will use the following DNS server, so I will just enter 8. Next case I will select 8, 8, 8, and then the second line 8, 8, and then 4, 4. Please note that you can Google or you can look in Google for the best DNS server addresses based on your geographic location. We will select validate settings upon exit and we will click OK. We will close, and here Windows is identifying, detecting problems and trying to solve them. It says troubleshooting could not identify the problem, and we'll just click close. So in my case, in many cases it does solve the problem and fix the problem. If in your case still didn't fix the problem for you, then you just go back to properties, you go back to Internet TCP4 or Internet Protocol version 4 properties, and you can change the IP address from use the following IP address to obtain an IP address automatically, and again validate settings upon exit, close, and Windows will run, detect and fix the problems which are existing there. This is as a second solution. As you can see, troubleshooting could not identify the problem. We can close. Here I have my internet number and it says public network. It's actually a home network, and now the internet is working. If after applying this fix it still didn't solve your problem, then you can go ahead, go back to properties, select Internet Protocol version 4 properties, obtain DNS server automatically, click OK, and the next step which you want to enable is the Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure that it's selected and also installed. Click on properties and make sure that you are obtaining an IPv address automatically is selected, and also obtain their DNS server address automatically is being selected. Click OK, close, and you can go ahead and close. This should solve the problem of limited internet access for you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.